not about brands for me, it's about product performance. I don't mind the waves, I'm not expecting it to straighten my hair, but definitely to just make it look decent. I am a tough case, and I'm just gonna say it like it is. You know me. So, hola gente. What is up, my warrior angels? I'm your girl with a crazy mane that constantly tests out new hair care every single week, twice a week, mostly. Today is the turn of Kerastase Discipline Oleo Relax. So here's the plan for today. We are going to be applying this mask. Of course, we're gonna rinse it off, then I'm gonna let it air dry. Hopefully answer the question if it actually does discipline my very wild, unruly, frizzy hair without the use of heat. All right, let's go ahead and open this.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us. Do you wanna follow?
Well, hello, gorgeous. I feel like I keep saying this about Kerastase packaging. It promises hydration, sleek, shiny hair to get rid of any unwanted volume. I mean, yes, please fix me, fix me. So it says to apply on shampooed, towel-dried hair, which of course mine is. And of course it recommends you use the shampoo from the same line, which unfortunately I haven't purchased. I mean, they sure are expensive enough. And that's why I like to isolate them and see how they perform on their own with a regular shampoo. Just 5 minutes for all those benefits. Aren't we over-promising a little bit? All right, combing through. So satisfying, right? 5 minutes. And when those 5 minutes go by, I'm going to be back with my hair already rinsed off, ready to share. So I want to say that I did a good job rinsing this. However, based on past experiences, coconut oil really likes to cling onto your hair, so you can never be too thorough with any products containing coconut oil. Don't even get me started on actually putting tons of coconut oil on your hair. Oh my god, that is tricky to rinse out. In fact, I'm gonna link right here my experience with the coconut oil treatment. Kind of thinking, should I just maybe scrunch the hair a little bit to help it air dry? Should I put it up in a bun and kind of help it? I actually use those tricks quite a bit in my everyday life. However, so just for context, there's this one product I have in mind throughout this entire experience that's kind of my benchmark, I want to say, like I'm comparing this product to, and that is the SHEAMOISTURE mask that gave me insane air dry frizz control as I'm testing out this one. Considering SHEAMOISTURE is way cheaper, this is going to have to do a really good job to impress me. Yeah, let's just go ahead and just let it air dry as it is. This is the exact same process I'd followed with the SHEAMOISTURE one. By the way, that video is also going to be linked up here, and we will see if we actually get similar or superior results. Okay, so I will see you in 1 or 2 hours, basically whenever my hair decides to air dry. I mean, it's better than the before for sure. Tons of frizz. Yeah, maybe 30% less than the before, but still it's not what I personally was expecting. So my conclusions are this may be very dependent on the shampoo before and the oil after from the same line. That's one thing. The other thing is I like more the SHEAMOISTURE air dried results. I literally cannot stand my hair right now. Let's just at least blow dry so that I can look a little bit more decent for the outro.
Enchanté.
Blow dryer to the rescue. But you know what? Actually, those bangs, they look pretty smooth, like smooth. So maybe there is still some hope. Maybe this is the type of product that you still need to use heat for it to actually do its magic. I guess we'll have to have a part 2 with every single product in the line and really try blow drying, but just for the purpose of today's video. If your question is, will this make my hair incredibly smooth just by letting it air dry? Based on what just happened to me and my hair, I would say probably not. So sad. Sorry. Anyways, that is a wrap, my warrior angels. I hope this video helped you in some way, or at least that it entertained you and that you enjoyed hanging out with me here today. As always, every single product used and mentioned throughout this video is going to be listed in the description box below. Thank you for your support if you decide to use my links on this or any of my other videos. And remember, no matter what comes your way, stay brave, fight for your dreams. Your dreams will fight for you. And I will catch up with you guys again on Wednesday. Ciao. Do you wanna follow? Click here.